Hey everybody, Tall Family Films here. We are replacing cabin filters in a car today. So it's behind the glove box. So in this particular car, all I have to do is shift the glove box a little to the left and it'll just drop down. I put a box on the floor, just a cardboard empty box, to keep the glove box from falling too far down and all the contents flopping onto the floor. So there's an 8mm bolt. It's right here. So you'll just need a socket extension, and you don't need a ratchet or anything because this is just plastic. This bolt is going into plastic. So it shouldn't be in there very hard. And remove that 8mm bolt, and it is holding in a door that is on a hinge, and it flaps in an upward position. So once you remove the bolt, grab the tab, the plastic tab where the bolt came out of, and just pull it, and the whole door will come right off. Alright, so the filter is done in two parts. You can't access the far right side filter until you remove the left side filter. And if you look at the new parts, you'll see exactly how they're built. Alright, so there will be debris, most likely, on top of the filter. You want to capture all that onto the filter. You don't want it to fall down in the hole where the filter came out of, because there's a fan down there, and if the stuff gets caught in the fan, it will make some noise and be very unpleasant to get out, because that's a very difficult procedure. Alright, so then you remove the right side filter. Again, you want to keep the debris on top of the filter. You'll be surprised at how disgusting it is. These are the filters that I used. And just remember, these filters, their job is to filter the air that you're breathing. So when you see how disgusting it is, it's kind of disturbing. See that arrow pointing down? It needs to point down when you insert the filters into the cavity for them to fit in it. Alright, so when you put it in, the first filter that goes in, you want to put it in and slide it to the right. And then take the second filter, make sure the arrow is pointing down again, and insert it in as well. Put the door back on, put the bolt back in. This particular glove box, I have two different cars, a Nissan and an Acura. They both have this mechanism on the right, which is just a string that is under tension that helps close the glove box door. So if we take that string out, and it just attaches to the side of the glove box just like this. Just slides in. It's keyed, so it can't really go in wrong. Then you'll just push the glove box back to the left again to get it to close, and that's pretty much all there is to doing this job. So if this video helped you, you can really help me by subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much.